Friends, 2025 will be remembered for the tariffs imposed by US on different countries and the trade uncertainties arising out of it. Now, different countries behaved in different manner, to combat the situation and to come to a solution, right? So we have seen India behaving in one way, other countries in some other way, and so on. But by and large, most of the countries have had several rounds of rate cuts to support the economy and various other incentives, so that the companies can come to a profitable path. Companies, those who are impacted by the US tariffs, come to a profitable path, and the GDP remains sustainable and as projected by the various countries. So we have seen rate cuts in Japan. We have seen China putting in more liquidity into the system. We have seen many countries in Europe, going through different kinds of rate cuts and so on. Interestingly, in US, we have seen the Fed making a very interesting and important decision in December. So we had a rate cut of 25 BPS in December in the US. And not only the rate cut, the most important factor was buying of 40 billion US dollar treasury bills in the next 30 days by the US Fed government, right? So that's a very important piece. And the chairman of Fed had mentioned that treasury buying will remain at an elevated level for a few months. So it's a clear shift and signal, about liquidity to be available. And that's a very good sign for the markets, where risk on assets actually thrive on liquidity. So globally, we would, I would say, like in 2026, quarter one, we should see the markets behaving more positively, risk on markets behaving more positively. There are pockets of valuation which are there in across different markets. Although the general feeling is that the market is overpriced, but then we will see companies which would be benefiting from different measures will do well, and overall it will move as per the planning of GDP planning of the country, right? So it's an interesting time ahead. So stay tuned to this channel for further updates. Thank